This is Kink bike check. We got Aaron Ross Odyssey grips, blueberry see-through, and then we got the Kink PC drives in electric green, and handlebars or some kind of like Kinker mission, I don't know. And then got our mission stem. Got our Kink Volt forks, and I don't know what the rims and tire is yet.
And what kind of headset?
Interior gated.
Oh, okay.
The mission seat clamp with stolen pivotal seat plastic with a stolen thermal green seat post. And then right here we got our Animal Hamilton blue. And then we got our stolen mob cranks, electric red, out of Eastern Shogun, which I think is really tight. It's 23 teeth, and it's really tight. And we got our KMC Crazy Chain there. Other side, you can see the bottom bracket better. It's mechanic. And then that's about it.
That's a bike check. Okay.